Hi, welcome, and thank you for spending a few moments with me in my beautiful neighborhood of Bay Ridge, Brooklyn, where I have resided for the past 32 years. I am Julie Thumb, licensed associate broker of RE/MAX Metro, located right here at 9504 3rd Avenue in Bay Ridge, however, serving the entire borough of Brooklyn and helping people just like you realize their dream of homeownership since 1987. My motto is, I can help you find your way home. If you are looking to buy or sell a home, be it a co-op, condo, single or multi-family residence, or even a commercial property for that matter, anywhere in this great borough of Brooklyn, please give me a call for the best possible service. Let me show you what I can do for you and what sets me apart from others in the real estate profession. I can be reached at 917-757-3291, 187. Thank you, and please let me help you find your way home.